You have your old laptop, you wanted to give it away, but when you try to reset on factory settings, you see this error, could not find the recovery environment. Insert your Windows installation to recovery media and restart your PC with the media. So now in this case you don't know what to do. You wanted to wipe it out, reset the settings, make it like day one, but you can't. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. Very easy. Go to Start, search for CMD. It's easy. CMD command, run as administrator. You have to type this command, Reagentc /enable. Hit enter. The Windows recovery image was not found. And try the same command again. Look at this, but in this case type info, Windows recovery environment, Windows RE and system reset configuration information, recovery image index 0. Now, if you are in this situation, what we are going to do? In the most cases, if you type this command Reagentc /enable, it will fix it directly and you will be able to fix it. But if Windows recovery is missing, we need to search on our system for this file. You see this file here, winre.wim. We need to search for this and if it's here or not in my computer. Okay, you can search from Explorer if you want. I use this everything. It's small software, free. I can search everything and try to search winre.wim. We see that this file is already here, C drive at recovery Windows RE. Okay, if you want you can just use this command directly on the CMD and click enter, and this it will start to search, but file not found. I mean, sometimes doesn't work like this, or you have to go in a C drive using CD command, CD dash twice, and now I'm going to search on again with this command, and then you will see file not found, but I already found this file and it's here. We are going to set the right path now for Windows recovery. Okay, the right command that you are going to do, Reagentc set image path C recovery. I'm going to set this, copy this command. All these commands you can find on my website, guys. I'm going to hit enter here. You see Reagentc.exe operation is successful. Now you see this directory set. We set where is the folder and where is the file for Windows to use this recovery WIM file. Now look at this. The other command is this one here. Now let's type it, this command Reagentc /enable. Okay, operation successfully. Type here info and you see Windows RE is enabled, guys. Now let's go and try here on the settings, and let's go back here on setting system, recovery here. I'm going to hit this button, reset. Guys, choose an operating system now. I wanted to remove everything, but not from this computer. I need files. Guys, you see now? How would you like to reinstall Windows 11? Cloud download or local reinstall? You choose. If you have fast internet and everything is good, you are connected to Wi-Fi, choose cloud download. It will download the latest version, Windows 11 25H2 or 26H2 or whatever, 27H2. Only if the Microsoft will change the commands. Now I'm going to click here local reinstall, and now if I click next, if you wanted to change the settings here, keep it as it is, clean data, just remove your files, this quicker but less secure, delete files from all drives, and if you click confirm, it will start the process. Click next. Let's see, I don't want to lose my files, guys. Let's see. Okay, if I click this button now, reset everything, it will be reset and delete, and your computer, it will restart. But I'm not going to hit this button right now because I want my files. This is only for you guys. If you wanted to see how it will happen, I did a short video tutorial for this. Go ahead, it's in description, and see what's happened if you wanted to continue, okay? Let's say, guys, that you are not able to find this file, winre.wim. Go to download Windows 11 and go all the way down, select the build, confirm. Make sure to choose the right language, the language that you already have on your computer. English, United States if you are in US, or if you are in Canada or United Kingdom, you need English International, okay? Confirm. click this 64-bit download. After you downloaded the ISO file, right click on the ISO, click mount disk. I just open up this mount drive, and here on my mount drive sources, you will see here install WIM. You see this file, install.wim. We will use this DISM, get Windows info, win file, source of the drive. You see the drive, it's not H, it's not G, but is this one here, I. It's not D, but in my case it will be I here. And :/sources install WIM. Now we need to get this. I'm going to copy this command. And now I'm going to paste it here on CMD. This command is only if you don't find this file, winre.wim. Only these cases. In my case, I found it, and you saw. But in this case now, we need to get it. Okay. Operation complete successfully. Windows version, what is yours? Mine is Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to use this one here. Index 6, okay? Now watch carefully, guys. Another step that you are going to do. We have to create a directory. If this is missing on your case, after this, we are going to export the file from the source. In my case, it's not D, but it's I. If it's in a case that you don't see this .wim, install.wim in your Windows 11 mounted drive that you downloaded already, if you see it like this, install not WIM but ESD, make sure that in all commands to be this file, not WIM but ESD. In my case, it's good. Now let's do it. Let's make a directory. I already have, but let's try. Source, we need to put here 6, and it's okay. Now let's create a directory. If you don't have this directory on a C drive, make the directory, okay? Already exists in my case. Now let's export it. Let's copy all of this command here, guys. You can go ahead in my website, copy the command, bring it here, click enter, and now exporting the image, and it's copying from the mount drive that we did, and everything is successful. Reagentc info, here you will see that it's enabled, but if you see it disabled, you will do this process again. Okay, guys? If you have any question, if you fix this problem, let me know everything. If you face any problem, after you wipe out everything, after you reset your computer on factory settings and you wanted to set up your computer again and you're stuck in the moment when you are not able to create a local account, I did another video tutorial how to do this. Go ahead, watch the video. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe this channel, guys, for more videos like this. God bless you, and see you on the next video tutorial.